Okay. They would loosen it up for other people if we found a way. Unless you want. I mean, if you want. I'll go with Kara so we can just put some room in this line.
And she can spell it exactly how you'd like it.
Too many of us.
That helps.
Hi, how are you? Okay, and what's your name?
Oh, you're gonna record your question?
What is this?
Let me record you.
What's the paper thing,
Yeah,
though?
that's to write your name so she gets the spelling right. If you,
Okay.
That
Okay.
just makes it easier for her.
Can you do that?
Yeah.
How about that? S-O-N, S-Y-N?
S-Y.
Okay.
Where do I buy the book
Do you
over
want
here?
both your last name on here too?
Yes, please.
Okay, and that is Q or O?
For, and this is for fun, right? Okay.
Me and my friend Isabella are doing our
I want
national
a still
history
picture of her. That's
project.
important.
Alright. Yeah,
Well, you can get as much as you can out of
she's got
this,
her
right?
skin
All right. Sure, as long as somebody can take it from behind.
She would like to.
She has a question for you.
Yes.
Writing them out.
If you could ask. Okay.
If you could give advice to the world of people being bullied at school, from your
Bullied?
people being bullied at school from your experiences, to not only survive but live, what would they be?
Well, I think that they need to stand up for those who,
She takes her voice. Just makes it a little.
you're saying for those who are bullied. Know who you are, okay? When you know who you are, you can handle anything. Have some confidence in yourself and be able to find an adult person or whoever that can help you.
Wow.
And to share the experience with them.
Alright.
That's beautiful. Thank you. Ah.